Stop scrolling. This is the creamiest holiday potato dish you will ever make. Hey my ginger gems, welcome back to Vlogmas in the Kitchen, day 3. Today we are making the most comforting, creamy potato au gratin, the perfect Christmas side dish. Let's get cooking! We're starting off with thinly slicing potatoes. The thinner the slice, the creamier the layers. You can use a mandolin like me or a sharp knife, whatever you're comfortable with.
Evenly cut, finely, thinly, and they will all cook evenly. 15 potatoes, 15 medium to small potatoes.
It's always a vibe when I'm in the kitchen, so grab your ingredients and cook along with me. Rinse your potatoes thoroughly and then cover them with fresh water and set them aside. Let's make our luxurious bechamel sauce. For that, I'll be using a half a stick of butter or 60 grams, as well as 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 heaping tablespoons of flour. We're also going to need 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy cream. Let's cook it to get rid of the raw flour taste. And if you watch Vlogmas in the Kitchen day 1, you would know about our flavorful green seasoning. Mix well, and then we'll add some turmeric powder for color and some black pepper. Now let's add our liquid and whisk. Keep whisking. Don't stop whisking. You didn't mess it up. Keep whisking. And as you whisk, the clumps will disappear. That's why it's important for you to make your bechamel sauce with a whisk. For some extra creaminess, let's add some cream cheese. Mix well and add the remainder of your liquid. I'm gonna season my potato au gratin with some simple salt, plain salt, because all the flavor is coming from our green seasoning. Check out Vlogmas Day 1 video. Let's switch over to a spatula because we don't need the whisk anymore. It has done its job. Add your thinly sliced potato to your bechamel sauce. And gently combine so that all the potatoes are submerged in our luxurious sauce. We're gonna let our potatoes boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and as the potatoes boil, the sauce will thicken. And as always, taste your food as you go to make sure everything is nice. So 20 minutes later, here are our potatoes that are partially cooked. We're just giving it a head start so that it spends less time in the oven so it goes quicker. Grab your oven safe dish and let's layer our potatoes. I'm gonna put a layer of potatoes, then a layer of cheese, another layer of potatoes, and finish off with a layer of cheese. And of course, we measure the cheese with the heart, as much or as little as you like. Be sure to give me a little like and a follow if you're enjoying these videos. I am gonna give to you back to back to back for this Vlogmas in the kitchen, so stay tuned. I am enjoying it and I hope you are too. And because I know that nobody don't like to cook every day, I like to be proactive. And I made one of these potatoes au gratin so that I can put in the freezer for a day when I don't feel like cooking or when I don't have time. I can just pop it out of the freezer and shove it in the oven. So this is definitely a freezer-friendly meal for all the working moms, the moms that don't have time. This is for you. Do a batch cooking and girl, there you have it. I baked my potato au gratin for 45 minutes on 375 or 160 and it was nice, bubbly. The house was smelling good. Ginger Gems, you should definitely give this potato au gratin a try. Your kitchen will smell like pure holiday comfort. So nice, so tender, so creamy and golden and cheesy. This Christmas, we are not counting calories. Every single layer in this potato au gratin is melt in your mouth perfection. Alright, Ginger Gems, that's it for day 3 of Vlogmas in the Kitchen. If you're loving this series so far, hit the like button, comment potato below, and subscribe for day 4. May your holidays be cheesy, cozy, and delicious. See you next time.